The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, three little pigs left their home to explore the big wide world. Their mother gave them a hug and said, "Work hard and be safe, and watch out for the big bad wolf." The first little pig was a bit lazy. He found some yellow straw and built a house very quickly. "It looks good," he said, and he went to sleep. The second little pig liked to play. He found some wooden sticks and built his house in a hurry. "That was easy," he said, and he went to dance. But the third little pig was smart and hard-working. He bought heavy red bricks. He worked all day long, stacking them one by one. His house was strong and sturdy. Suddenly, a hungry wolf came out of the forest. He went to the house of straw and knocked on the door. "Little pig, let me come in." The first pig shouted, "No, no, no, not by the hair on my chinny chin." Then the wolf growled, "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." Whoosh! The straw house fell down. The first pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed them and knocked on the wooden door. "Little pigs, let me come in." They shouted together, "No, no, no, not by the hair on my chinny chin." So the wolf took a deep breath. "I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." Crack, snap. The stick house fell apart. The two pigs ran as fast as they could to the brick house, where the third pig let them in. The wolf stood outside the brick house. He was very angry now. He took a giant breath. He huffed, and he puffed, and he huffed, and he puffed again. But the brick house stood strong. The wolf had a bad idea. He climbed up to the roof and jumped down the chimney. But the smart little pig had a big pot of hot soup on the fire. Splash! Ouch! My tail! Cried the wolf. He jumped out of the pot and ran far, far away. The three little pigs hugged each other. They learned that working hard is the best way to stay safe. And they lived happily ever after.